Hello friends, I'm Bob. In this video, I'll be showing you how to plot a scatter plot using the TI-84 Plus C Silver Edition graphics calculator. But before I do so, if you guys liked this video, help me press the thumbs up icon below this video. So for this particular example, I have a table showing the X and the Y values, and Y is depend on X. So we want to plot Y on X on the graphics calculator. So how do we go about doing this is, first thing we click on the button called Stats, and then we are able to see all the options. The next thing we do is we click on Edit, so we press 1, and then we will be able to see the tables shown in the graphics calculator. To key in first thing the values of X into column L1, what do we need to do is to just press the following 1 and then click on enter to move on to the next cell, and then 2, 3 and enter, 4, 5 and 6. And same thing, we are going to key in the values of Y, but this time round in the L2 column. So what do we do is we key in same thing 19, and then we key in 26, 32, 37, 47, and last but not least, we have 55. So now we have keyed in the values of X, which is under L1 column, and the value of Y, which is the L2 column. What do we do next is we go to second function and click on Stats Plot, and this brings us to the Stats Plot page. And we click on 1 to go to set up some configuration for my scatter plot. So as you can see, for the first row itself, it's either you switch off or you switch on the plot. For the second row, it says the type, so this tells you what type of plot that we can plot. So we can plot scatter plot, which is the first one. We can also plot box plot as well, which is the fourth option and the fifth option. And then we can also plot a frequency plot, which is the third option. Moving on, pressing the down arrow, we go to the third one, X list. The X list represents what would be my variable X. In this case, my variable X is keyed into column L1, so we press L1. How about Y list? So for my Y list, I key in all the Y values just now into column L2, so this will be L2. And you can also select how the point should look like. It can be a square shape or a plus shape or a shaded square shape or a full stop. And you can also select the color of the plot. It can be red, black, magenta, green, orange. There's so many colors that you can choose from. So today I'm feeling brown, so I choose brown. And after which, click on zoom. So when you click on zoom, you are able to see all the different options, and you click on the number 9 and you will be able to see the plots down here. And this plot itself is a scatter plot that represents this table of data. And that is it. This is a demonstration to plot a scatter plot using the TI-84 Plus CE Silver Edition. If you guys like this video, help me press the thumbs up icon, and do consider to subscribe for more tips and tricks on using the graphics calculator TI-84 Plus CE Silver Edition. My name is Bob. Thank you guys for support, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye guys.